Unlocking the power of rice water for hair care.
Hello everyone! In today's video, we are going to discuss one of the trending natural treatments for hair, rice water. We'll cover how often you should use it and how long to leave it in your hair for the best results. Let's dive right in.
What is rice water?
Rice water is simply the water left over after cooking rice or soaking it. It is rich in vitamins and minerals, especially inositol, a carbohydrate that repairs and strengthens hair. It has been used for centuries by women in Asia for hair care, and recently it has gained popularity worldwide.
How often should I use rice water?
The use of rice water varies depending on your hair type and the condition of your hair. However, as a general rule, you can use it once or twice a week. If you have dry or damaged hair, it may be beneficial to start with once a week to avoid over-proteinizing the hair. Conversely, if you have oily hair or scalp, you might want to start with twice a week. Always listen to your hair's response and adjust the frequency as needed.
How long should I leave rice water in my hair?
When you apply rice water to your hair, the recommended duration to leave it in is between 15 to 30 minutes. This allows ample time for the nutrients in the rice water to absorb into the hair and scalp. Afterward, be sure to rinse your hair thoroughly. Leaving rice water in for too long can lead to protein overload, which might stiffen and dry out your hair.
How do I apply rice water to my hair?
Before you apply rice water, make sure your hair is clean and wet. Apply the rice water to your hair from roots to tips. You can use a spray bottle for an easy and even application. Once it's applied, massage your scalp for a few minutes to enhance absorption. After leaving it in for the recommended time, rinse your hair with regular water. That's all for today's guide to using rice water for your hair. Remember, consistency is key. It may take a few weeks to see noticeable changes, but with patience and regular use, you might just unlock shinier, stronger, and healthier hair. We hope this video has been helpful, and we're looking forward to seeing you in the next one. Happy hair care!